are you selling drugs?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. He's oh my god, 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 oh my god. Dropshipping is dead. Dropshipping is dead.
Wait, where did he go? Wait, where did he go? Where's he? Where did he go? Where did he go?
There he is.
Okay, I'm just selling tangerines. Bro, I am so excited today because in this video, I'm going to show you 5 winning products that someone might come and be like, but bro, these products are banned. But I'm going to tell you that you can still sell these products because there are some people who are selling them. And some of these products, they're being sold on Amazon right now. So I can assure you, they might look illegal or banned or even controversial, but you can still sell them, trust me. And what's cool, I like to think that some of these products, no one has actually showed them on YouTube. Just consider this my Christmas gift for you, okay? And bro, especially if you have no money right now, these products are very good for TikTok organic as well because like they're controversial, right? So if you make a TikTok video with them, they're gonna go viral. And I've taken one of these products right now and I'm generating 1 million views on TikTok consistently. But let's just get started because I'm actually so freaking excited for this. First product. Okay, so the first place we have is the spy glasses. Now look, so this product costs $22 on AliExpress, but what you should do is sell this product for $50. And like, just imagine the TikTok content you can make with spy glasses. Like how much TikTok content and ideas you can make with this and make them go viral. And what's crazy right now is that I honestly haven't seen a single person selling this exact product on TikTok right now. But the reason why you should sell it is first of all, it has a great margin. And second of all, it has a wow factor. This is something that most people actually want. And even me, like when I saw this, I'm like, I'd love to have this. Like I can make so many videos with this. But for some reason, I literally haven't seen a single store selling this on TikTok right now. So what you should do is create a website that makes you seem like you're the original creator of the spy glasses. And then on your TikTok, make POV videos of this product. And then maybe you can have like another person who's recording you that can show how you're getting those POV footage. So honestly, I feel like I don't even need to guide you on how to make content with this product because the content is going to make itself. You can literally make so many ideas with this. And so this is the first product on this list. Alright, so next on the list, we have the second product that I feel like most of you guys have actually seen. And that's because there's already a few people selling this product right now. And this product is the high power laser beam. Now, the thing with this product is you have to be marketing it as this is not a toy. Don't buy this product thinking this is a toy. So this one, it can literally pop a balloon. It can literally light a match. So what you need to be doing is show these things in your marketing. Because most people I've been seeing on TikTok that are selling this product, their angle is basically like, look how far this laser beam can go. And like, look, I can point at someone very far away with this laser beam. But what you should be doing is get the high power laser beam and basically show how this laser beam can pop a balloon and light a match. So don't just use the regular one because remember, we already know that this product sells on TikTok. So what you need to be doing is come in with a different variation that will make the product seem even more controversial. And then that's what's going to catch people's attention. So I found a good supplier on AliExpress selling this product for $17. So what you should be doing is sell the product for $50 because not only would the price show that this product is not a toy, but it's going to give you very nice margins to work with. And trust me, brother, this product is insane. It doesn't even have that many orders on AliExpress right now, so it's pretty untapped. Also, for the brand, you want to call yourself something very powerful, something that shows that this brand has power in it. So for example, I was thinking of something like SWAT.com with 2 T's, and then the product would be called the SWAT high power laser beam, just something like that makes it seem powerful. Product 3. This next product is insane. So let's say you're driving on the highway, right? But you're speeding, right? And if a cop sees you, they'll come and give you a ticket. Well, this product is the magnetic leaf with a remote control. Now look, I couldn't find this product on AliExpress. Like I did, but the listing had very low reviews. So I would not use that listing. However, what I would use is Amazon. So basically I found this listing on Amazon, and what I would actually do, I would literally fulfill this product from Amazon instead of AliExpress. So there are a few listings on Amazon right now, if you just search up magnetic leaf with a remote control, that are selling this for $12. So I'd come and sell the product for $33. And the reason I'm doing that is just because I saw a competitor do it, so I'll do it too. But look, I know there isn't like a huge margin here like other products, but you have to be using TikTok organic for this. And the crazy thing is the shipping is going to be super duper fast. And by the way, like most people don't do this, but you know you can actually just dropship from Amazon. Like you're not just stuck with AliExpress. You can literally dropship from Amazon. But the only thing that you need is you have to have a strong big idea that will allow people to pay high prices for the product that you're selling. And if you're able to do that, then the price on Amazon is just nothing for you because you can just use it and fulfill with it. And that is why I recommend learning copywriting. But anyway, for this product, it's a magnetic leaf, and basically you put it on your license plate number, and just it covers one of the letters in the license plate number. And the idea here is it looks like this leaf has just been placed by accident on one of the numbers on the license plate. So people can avoid getting charged when they go on the highway, like the paid fast highway, or when getting a speeding ticket from a camera, they can just bypass this by having this leaf because the license plate is covered and it has a remote control on the leaf. So let's say you're getting pulled over by the police, you can just press a button and then the leaf would just fall. So it's such a cool idea, to be honest. Like what you can can do is market this product as like, you can save so much money and time by having this when you're going on the paid fast highway. Because the thing is, like, you won't be charged because the license plate is covered. And by the way, I have no idea if the US has like the paid highway like we do here in Canada. So in Canada, there is the normal highway, which is like super jammy in traffic. But then there's like the fast highway, which if you go into it, you're basically paying a few feet, like a toll, which is why this product would be perfect for those paid highways. And this is why this video is titled Banned Products, because I have no idea if this is even legal. But like, notice how we're taking like a simple magnetic leaf that someone might come and then just add it onto like their fridge or whatever. But we're using this magnetic leaf into like a whole different big idea. This is not just a magnetic leaf. This is a time saver and a money saver. So that's how you need to be thinking. Now look, this video is actually insane, bro, because these products, like some of them are so funny. So this next product, I don't know if some of you guys can even sell this or even have the guts to sell this, but nevertheless, I still think it's such a cool product.
Dead.
Oh, product 4. So this next one is the police strobe light for cars. Now look, I am not saying break the law, but this video is specifically titled Banned Products that you can still dropship. So I found this product for $31 on AliExpress, and I recommend you sell it for $60. But the way you market this product on TikTok is saying something like, I'm not saying break the law, but if you have an emergency, put these lights on and just drive without the rules. But on your product page, don't mention anything that this is a police strobe light. By the way, you know what a police strobe light is? No. It's the lights that police have. So you put it on your car, and like you just turn them on. It's like showing the police lights, and you can like go do whatever you want. That's why it's banned products. But you can actually dropship it because it's not made for that. It's made for some other reason, but that's a very nice way to market it. Do you know what I mean? This is why it's a banned product. So again, on your product page, don't mention that these are police strobe lights. These are just lights. And they just so happen to look like police strobe lights. Because the thing is that like there's different colors on this, but it just so happens that you can get the red and the blue light. Now you want to not put yourself in trouble here and just say that you're not liable if any one of these people that buy the product are going to jail, okay? But bro, like you'd be surprised. Like I know some people who would actually buy this product because like there are some crazy drivers out there, right? And especially those people that drive those large pickup trucks. Like these are crazy drivers, man. Anytime I'm driving and I see one of those people, I'm like, he's definitely gonna do something crazy. Like, okay, like I honestly love them, but like again, like they're crazy. No, I actually do love them though. Like they drive with so much high testosterone. So that's basically your target market, because those people have no problem buying this product from you. And also, like, remember how in another video I talked about how controversy gets you lots of views on TikTok? Well, all of these products are controversial. So if one of you guys are DMing me saying something like, bro, I'm not getting views on my videos, I'm just gonna immediately know, like, you don't watch my videos, bro. And one more thing with this product, you don't have to use the whole police light angle, okay? You can just be like, use these lights when the weather is bad to signify there's an emergency, or use these lights to create like a nice atmosphere in the car for the family, because again, they do come in different colors. But again, I am not saying break the law. Don't ever break the law. I'm just saying this product is unsaturated, so you can sell it if you want. Bro, last product. Okay, so lastly, we have the laser slingshot. Now look, I've seen this product a lot on TikTok, and I know someone who actually did very well using this product on TikTok, which means it's already a verified winner, which also means what you need to be doing is just market the product better, and that's it. So for example, show yourself using this product to break like a few glass bottles. And the whole point of this is just the video is supposed to look cool, that's it. So right now, this product is being sold for $13, depending on which supplier you choose. And I recommend selling it for $30, because again, $30 shows that this is not a toy. And yeah, like honestly, this is just one of those cool products that you don't even have to depend on copywriting to sell it. You can just basically depend on the demonstration, and that's it. Just include a bunch of gifts on your product page and name your site as the original creators of this product, and you should be golden. But look, like bro, like I'm showing you all these products right now, but some of you guys are gonna come to me and be like, bro, I tried that product and I got no views. Like Habibi, that's literally impossible. All these products are controversial. You're gonna get views. These products are made to get views, even if you think you're shadow banned. So what I suggest is watch this video here, because this video is gonna give you all the tips that you need to create a video on TikTok that can get you views, even if you think you're shadow banned. Like bro, like even me, sometimes I go back to this video and then I'm like, damn, like I can use these same tactics again. It's timeless. And once again, I told you, I've gotten multiple videos that have gone over 1 million views using this video, even when I thought I was shadow banned.